Welcome, children. We are going to learn Environmental Studies for Standard 4th, Lesson 8, The Value of Food. Children, you are lucky to have a family that gives you food every day. All living things need food. Our body need food to grow strong and healthy. So do you know from where the food comes from? Our food comes from various processes at our home. There is a story told about Arjun and Varsha. They are brothers and sisters and they love to eat hot bajra bhakri with butter. Mother makes a number of other dishes for them to eat with bhakris. They like those too. Let us see from where this bajra comes at our home. There are different methods and process and lot of efforts are being taken to cultivate and hence we should value the food. A tractor is being used for farm work. It is used for redying the fields by attaching different implements to the tractor to carry out various farming tasks. Tractor is also used to plow the fields and then crush the lumps of soil so that the level of the field is ready for sowing. Then seedlings. At the time of pre-monsoon showers, the seeds are being sown, then the seeds are sprout and the seedlings are seen above the ground. Let us take the example of bajra. Along with the bajra weeds, the weeds also flourish. But with the help of the employee laborers, they have to be removed. Rainwater is enough for bajra to grow vigorously. After a while, ears of bajra appears on every stalk. As the grain grows, birds come in flock to eat the tender grains. Hence, scarecrows have to be set up to frighten the birds away. The ears of corn are full. It is harvest time and all the ears of bajra are ready, so they must be cut and gathered. Then follows the threshing and winnowing. Thus, we get the grain from the ears of the bajra. What does the word threshing and winnowing determine? It means it is a machine used where threshing and winnowing is done. It is a machine where bullocks do the threshing. A round space is cleared in the field and the threshing floor is prepared. A post is erected at its center and a bullock is tied to it. The bullock walks in circle around the post. The harvested ears are spread in the round space so that they get trampled upon by the bullock. If the crop is large in quantity, a bigger place is prepared and more bullocks are used together. The threshing may go on for several days for the bullocks too. This is a very heavy work. But nowadays, a machine has invented and thus the threshing and winnowing can be done very easily. Then, after threshing and winnowing is done, the grains have been properly filled into the sacks. They have properly taken to make sure that it will not attack by insect or other pest such as mice. After putting aside some grains for the family, the remaining sacks are sent to the marketplace to be sold, where the traders buy the grains. The farmers get money for the crop that he has grown. Then, the grains that the traders buy is sold all over the country. It is transported by means of trucks or good trains. It is the turn of potters and truck drivers to put in their labor. Transports cost also a lot. Now, people buy the grains from them, from the provision stores. And then, after bringing them home, they sort out any stones or rubbish and clean the grain. After that, they take the grain in the mill to get it into flour. Then the lumps are being flattened, the flour is being kneaded, and then the bhakri is being made and roasted. Also, we have to spend a fuel too, and at the end of this, the bhakri appears. So, it is a very big effort. So, it would be not right to waste the food that we are getting through, because many people have been taken lot of efforts, and by doing so ultimately the bhakri appears in our plate. Now, what are the other foodstuff that we get? We get fish from the water. Fishermen work hard to catch them. There are people who gathered a shell fruits like amla, jamun, karavanda, boar, which grows in the forest. All these people put in a lot of hard work in their own occupation. We get a great variety of foodstuff as a result of their efforts. The efforts and labor of many other people are also required for storing, transporting, and marketing them, as well as preparing the various dishes we eat. And all these processes are expensive. Therefore, it is necessary for all of us to take care that food is not wasted. Children, always remember we get a variety of foodstuff through the efforts of many different people. Let us always be grateful to them.